Think that a bed that comes in the mail has to make you tear your hair out before it can be put together? The Abel Metal Platform Bed might make you think again. We've figured out a simpler way to construct a bed frame via this design's quick lock assembly system. Because this frame features several thick steel mattress support slats that don't require any bolts to snap into place, giving you a sound foundation that's ready in under an hour. No outside tools or engineering degree is required. The result of your hard work: a sleek and uncompromisingly stable bed that polishes the look of your bedroom, requires no box spring, and even gives you some extra under-bed space for storage. And to go with it, we offer a 5-year warranty because we're in the business of having your back, so you can stay in the business of getting great sleep. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Go minimalist. Less is more. Especially with this modern and boldly outlined foundation that lends both strength and understated sophistication to your bedroom, 2 qualities that never go out of style. Number 2. No box spring needed. Reliable metal slats are designed to support and extend the life of your latex, memory foam, or spring mattress without the need for a box spring. For twin and full sizes, slats are spaced 5.5 to 5.9 inches apart. Number 3. Underbed clearance. A 14 inches platform features 12 inches of underbed space, perfect for storing extra odds and ends. Number 4. Easy assembly. Metal slats are secured with our bolt-free, quick-lock assembly system to save you time and hassle. All parts, tools, and instructions are shipped straight to your door in one efficiently packed box. Setup takes less than an hour with a friend's help. Number 5. Worry-free 5 years limited warranty included. Mattress sold separately, twin size supports a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds, while all other sizes can support up to 500 pounds, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.